it is day 17. Now, I'm going to be honest. I am filming ahead because you know the actual Christmas and Christmas Eve and all that is coming. So I understand the naughty people. Look at, I think it's cool how even though these are different companies and everything, it's like, oh, everything kind of goes together. Red and green, there's some pink in here. I understand the naughty people because I really want to know what's left. Like I just want to rip open everything and throw the paper on the ground. And my fellow commentator is Bodie. Bodie's a red front macaw. And if I get excited and speak in an excited manner, he gets excited. So, Caterpillar Cross Stitch, our British cousins, a Stitchy box, 17 from Kitten Stitcher, kittenstitcher.com, most wonderful Christmas box, does it say Christmas? Wait, let me not, most wonderful, I think it does, 2024. Yes, it does say most wonderful Christmas, okay. And, or you can put, you know, if you don't celebrate Christmas, you can put Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, whatever you want. Whatever makes you happy. We are a make everybody happy place here. Number 17 is the Thread Gatherer. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Who did we start with last time? I don't remember. Oh, we started with the Caterpillar Cross Stitch because I couldn't show it to you. That's right. Okay, so let's start with Stitchy. And then I do feel wounded about the needle minders. So if you have the Black Needle Society Holiday Advent box, just because about the super magnetic needle minders. I'm excited though, because you know what I thought? I can put all the needle minders that I've gotten and just like put them all on my stand, on my Lowry stand. Ooh, oh, I like this. I'm starting to learn how to do finishing. The Jingle Ball, oops, I'm trying to open it in front of you. Day 17, Rustic Ribbon. A fun way to finish a small ornament with a bow or a hanger. If you check out the Frosted Pumpkin Stitchery, they just had a class on flat fold finishing. Oh my gosh, remember we talked about alliteration? I love alliteration, I do. Flat fold finishing, yes. And this, they use something like this to gather the flat folds together. So, I am learning how to finish things. I finished the stitching, but then there's only so many things you can put on the wall, right? And I have a bunch of stuff somewhere that I haven't framed. Ooh, look at that. So I'm very excited about that because that might even work for the current project. Okay, you know I'm trying to fold this back together and it's not working. I'm glad excuse me for 1 second. I'm glad I learned how to put musical accompaniment so when I'm not around or I have to run and put lotion on my hands. The crinkling is louder than I thought. So I'm gonna move over here for just a second. Yay, I didn't tear. I did not tear. Let me move this out of the way so we can enjoy whatever. I feel there's color involved here. Oh, it's the Thread Gather Silk. We love silk. Look at the sheen. Look at the sheen on that. Oh my gosh, I love silk. I'll usually mix up silk with something because I get bored easy and I like different colors. And I don't try to do all silks because that can be really expensive. Oh, These are some really nice colors. Okay, I will not be giving these away. I'm so sorry. That's what this says. Winter's Rose, limited edition, 5 yards. That's really nice. Rosewood Christmas. SNC. What is SNC? Oh, Silken Colors. Look how nice that is. Fabulous. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, maybe I shouldn't do that. Star of Wonder, Star of Night. Now, most of the time, I have not seen what anything is, unless, you know, I'm worried about a pattern or something. Oh. 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 I thought I was in the camera shot and I wasn't. You see my nails? I'm so happy. I'm so happy I finally had time to get my nails done. Oh. Now, what do we use these for? We could use this for a scissor fob. Yes. Or we could use this for whatever we want. Those magnets. This would also be a good needle minder. Notice where my brain is. Oh. And you could put your floss. You could put another to hold your floss. You could do a lot with this. Now notice I didn't say keychain. You know why? Because we are cross stitchers. We are needle artists. We use things to hold floss. Hello, Bodie. He's very happy. He's eating a nut. That's what that grinding is. But if my tone changes, his tone changes. I love that. Look at that. Look at that sweater. Look at that sweater. It's day 17. I wonder if the sweater is a hint of things to come. Now, you notice, this is a big package. And I didn't want to get your excitement up and go, look at this big package. But look at this big package. Yes, we're just going to do this. What do you think? What do you think? It's not too heavy. What are you thinking? Hoop? Q-snap? Nudge? Nudge? Nurge? The new one everybody's talking about? Oh, this is beautiful. So, of course, we can use this when we're stitching. But when you have something this pretty, you can also use it as a frame. This is going to be tight. Ooh, I really like this. See, Black Needle Society keeps surprising me. I thought it would be a nudge. I'll look it up. I love that. And you could hang that up with a pretty a little decorative piece. I'm trying to get it. So 8 by 6, 8 by 8. Day. You're gonna laugh with me, Bodie. Day 17. Day 17. Woo! I need a closing line. I don't have a closing line. Have a lovely day 17. I don't know. Somebody write in comments. Give me a closing line. Good day.